Hello and welcome to the tutorial in which I'll present the option Profile Along Tool Axis. This option is available only on a 2D wireframe profile, so you need to be onto Axis profile to get available, and it's from the utility page Profile Along Tool Axis. This option enables the user to generate the 2D profile toolpath slices along the specified tool axis direction. So for that you need to give here another direction of the tool, so thus you can create the tool axis direction, and as you can see here, I'll present you can see the slices which made along the tool axis, and if this option is disabled, then the tool path isn't the same. It has the specifying of a 2D profile which is perpendicular, as you can see here. So if you activate the tool profile axis, you will get this one as the specified tool axis direction. And that's it. Thank you.